थोड़ी देर में खत्म होगा
But they were very confused. So how much area can we take to plant the tree? Which plant should we take, or which plant will be better for our balcony for this temperature, and which pot is suitable for the length of the plant? So they were very confused. So their mama was working in the kitchen, and they thought, let's go and ask our mother. So which plant and which area will be better for the plantation? Okay, so they both went to their mother, and what they did? They asked, Mama, we want to plant a tree in our gallery, but we don't know how much area or how much space that plant is going to take. Okay, can you think what will be her mother said? What her mother said? Can you think? Any idea? Okay, so mother said, because our gallery is small. So if our gallery is this much, can we plant a huge pot in our gallery? No, why not? Because that plant or that pot will take too much space. If the space is less, we need to decide one small corner where we can plant our tree. But they wanted to plant they wanted to cover this whole space with the soil. Okay, and they wanted to plant very colorful flower beds. So for that, they first measured the balcony. Okay, so their balcony was in rectangular shape. Okay, their balcony was in rectangular shape, and they decided to take the one corner of the balcony for their plantation. This corner. Okay, then how do we measure the length? How do we measure the length? Which measuring tape. Measuring tape. So they went and they took one measuring tape to measure their balcony's length and width. Okay, so they take the measuring tape and they took the measurement. So the length was 50, and the breadth was 20. Okay, so according to that, they plant that. They first of all, what they did, whenever you plant something, what do? First you draw one rough idea, right, on your notebook. So they take out their notebook and they draw a balcony shape. Okay, and after that they think where we want to plant our tree, where we want to place our water here. So they will draw this structure on their notebook, and after that they went to the balcony and they measured this area. So this area was 10 centimeter long and 5 centimeter width. Okay. So after that, do you know why we are calculating this? Why we are measuring this? Have you learned this kind of thing like rectangle, area? In which chapter you learned? Math. Area. Okay. So here we are going to learn a chapter which is called perimeter and area. So after calculating this, they got to know that even if you want to plant a small thing, or even if you want to place a small thing in your room or in your garden or anywhere, you need to take first measurement. Okay, after that you can place it. So you know what is a perimeter? Okay.
बीच में
So today we are going to learn area and perimeter. Please open your book and page number. Please open page number 109. will you say if the rectangle is like 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter? So next, and the circle's radius is 5 centimeter. Okay. So do you know every shape has its own area and perimeter formula? So for first, let's learn square. Okay. So the inner part of the square, or the inner part of any shape is called its area. Okay. So area is covered by area is enclosed, and this part inside part is called area, and the outside part, this part is called what? Perimeter. Okay, so this is perimeter and this is area. So when you have to calculate the this perimeter of this square, then what is the perimeter of the square? It is 4 multiplied by side. Yes, 4 multiplied by side. Let's say the side of the square is A. Okay, so A. And look, if the A is equal to 10 centimeter, then 4 into 10. 4 into 10, 40 centimeter. Okay, and if you have to calculate the, are you ready? At this node your head. Yes. Just so you have an idea about this. Okay. Now, what will be the area of the side? Side multiplied by side. So what is side here? A. And A is 10. Then what will you write first? A into A. Then 10 into 10. So what is 10 into 10? 100 square centimeter. Okay. Curved square. Okay. Let's say what is the if we talk about circle, do you know if you have to calculate the area and perimeter of a circle, then it's different. We don't take circle with 2 things. Okay, so we take the radius. Do you know the is where if you put a dot here, every line will be equal. Okay, so here you can take radius from inside. From here you can take. From here you can take. Okay. Any side. Wherever you go, the length will be same. So let's say the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Okay. And this inside part is area. Okay. And this outside part is what? Circumference. Circumference. And this is what? Area. So in area, the area of a circle is pi r square. Now what is the value of pi? 22 by. So the pi value is 22 by 7, or you can say 3.14. Okay. And the perimeter is, you forgot? Perimeter formula कैसे? 4 pi r. Okay. So